Recently, I've been seeing videos, I don't know why the algorithm is shoving it in my face. I've been seeing videos and posts of people always talking down on skincare. You don't have to use skincare, you don't have to. Is this skincare, is it even worth it? You people are just following Oyinbo, you're just doing everything Oyinbo people are doing. You don't even. It's a lot. In this video, I'm going to give an overview of skincare, the basic things that you're supposed to know, the things that are true about skincare, the facts are not myths. So go get whatever you want to get, relax, and let's get right into the video. Hello, everybody. What's up? My name is Damilola. If you are seeing my face for the first time, where have you been? I've been waiting to have you join my community. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about the basics of skincare. Guys, that my intro is not a lie. I've just been seeing people are angry. I know skincare products are expensive, but one thing I know is skincare works. I don't know why people. Okay, I kind of understand why people might have this reaction, and I'm going to explain them in this video. You will also be able to decide for yourself if skincare is really worth the hype or if it's just fluke at the end of this video. So I'm going to start with the basics when it comes to skincare. I don't know what anyone has told you. I don't know what people have been watching, but if you go to any dermatologist or any aesthetician, what they will tell you is this: the most important thing when it comes to skincare is your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen to cleanse the skin, moisturize the skin, treat the skin, aka exfoliation or whatever your skin concern is, and to protect the skin, sunscreen. Those are the things that you're supposed to do when it comes to skincare. Every other thing, they are just add-on, to be honest. And also, it depends on what you are suffering from, what you are trying to treat your skin, aka your skin concern. Now, also talking about knowing the basics, the basic thing, I mean, this is skincare 101 that you're supposed to know is your skin type. If you do not know your skin type and you just follow what everyone is doing, you will suffer. Yeah, you will suffer money, you will suffer time, you because it's important. I understand the fact that people have people they follow that they look up to. It's not a bad thing. I also have people that I really watch. However, be sure that the person you watch, the person's advice you are following, you are suffering from what the person is suffering. The product the person is advertising is um targets whatever you're trying to treat. For example, you have a dry skin and acne prone skin, but the person you're following has an oily and acne prone skin. If you use the kind of product the person uses, you might not get the same results. You might not get the same results. It's when your outcome will not be the same thing. And that is why people come out and say, oh my God, this I believe that like I've mentioned in one of my videos, there are good products and there are bad products. And people's experiences of products will definitely not be the same thing. That a product is excellent, that a product is good, doesn't mean that it's going to work for everybody. I don't think there's a product that can work for everybody. You guys know how I come here and talk about let me take my face wash for example, the CeraVe foaming cleanser. There are some people that cannot stand that product. They can't stand it. And it's because it doesn't work. They have oily and acne prone skin, but it doesn't just work for them. They did not get similar experience with it. Some people have oily and acne prone skin, and it could be the presence of niacinamide in that product that doesn't work for them. That doesn't make the product a bad product. As a society, as people, I feel like we just need to do better with these things. For example, somebody has told me about something. It might not even be skincare. The person has told me about how this thing is a very good product or thing, is the best thing after Jesus Christ and the salvation of our souls, blah blah blah. But then I get to use that thing, or I get to eat it, or I get to, just have experience with the said product or said thing, and I did not get the same experience. I don't think it's fair to now make a video, make a post about how the product is a very bad thing. And that's why I'm always very cautious and very careful when it comes to making a review of products. Nobody's perfect, but the highest you can hear me say about a product is the fact that I don't cancel people, I don't cancel product. I don't think it's fair to do that. The highest to hear me say is, oh, if they reformulate, if they do this, if they do that, or I can try other products from their range or from their brand, or but to say that, oh, this because I did not get a good experience with it, I don't think it's fair. And the same thing applies to skincare. Everybody cannot get the same experience with a product, and sometimes it's not even the fault of the brand, is you, it is people, it is we are the problem. A product that's explicitly stated on the package, on the website, everywhere, that's meant for oily and acne prone skin. But because everyone is using it, you that you have dry skin, why not? Why can you not use it? You use it, but you come and you start disturbing us about how this product is this, how this brand is a scam, how this. I don't intend to get this personal. When I thought of making this video, well, guys, let's just do better. Make sure that you are doing the basics. Number one, know your skin type, know your skin concern, and make sure you stick to the basics of skincare. And this is what will lead me to my next point. You see that 10-step routine, that 15-step routine that somebody has told you is a big fat lie. You do not need that to have a good skincare routine. You do not need that to have healthy skin or to have skincare products that work. And I also quickly say that the product is expensive doesn't mean that it will work for you. That is such a big shocker. It doesn't mean that it's going to work. Or if you like, go and buy somebody that is over 100,000. I'm talking about naira now. Go and buy a skincare product that is over 100,000. And if it's not the right one for your skin, if it's not supposed to work for your skincare, your skin type or your skin concern, it will still not work. Skincare is something that maybe because I feel like everybody should, your skin, that is, I mean, that is 90% of your outward appearance. You should be careful of things that go on them. Simple, if you see a product, simple research on Google or TikTok or whatever will not harm you. To be sure, is it even for my dry skin? Is it for people that don't know their skin type that will know if you guys, I feel like every time I come here, I have to. Well, I'm not tired. I'm not tired. A video will pop up now. In fact, I have two videos on this channel that will help you to know your skin type. Guys, those videos are not long at all. Very short videos, less than 6 minutes. Yeah, those videos will help you to know your skin type. Please watch them and know your skin type. And if you have any questions or if you do not get them, let me know in the comment section. I will be glad to help. I have also spoken about skincare myth on this channel, on how some things are pure myth, that they are lies, they are not scientifically proven. And I come here to say that a lot because you cannot just sit down and concoct something in your head, and when there are things that are proven, we will not choose the ones that are proven over you that you gambled and it worked. Just, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, that video should also pop up now. Watch those videos and know the things that are truth, know the ones that are lies. You owe it to yourself. The other day I was talking about antioxidants and I spoke about vitamin C and also spoke about retinoids. I also remember that I said explicitly that the fact that vitamin C is everywhere, retinoids are everywhere, and you need these things in your makeup routine. You need in your skincare routine. You need them because they are good for the skin. They will help you. They will enhance the overall appearance of your skin, your general skin health. These products will help you. However, be sure that you are getting the right variants for your skin. That one too is there. Be sure that you are picking the right vitamin C. Be sure that you are picking the right retinol. The reason why I don't even get mad at brands again is because people just don't read. People just don't do their due diligence. These brands, they let us know. Some of them, they let us know that this thing is for so skin type, this is for so concern. They let us know. There are some that do not let us know. I know there are those ones, but there are also some that they let us know what their product is supposed to do. But the people are the problem. Apart from skincare safe, there are also other things that also contribute to the general health of the skin: sleep, hydration, genetics. There are some people that I'm marrying that because there there are people that dark knuckles is hereditary in their family. And I feel like when you see those kind of dark knuckles and you see the people that their own is what's the English of self-inflicted, you will know the difference. You will know the difference. Also, the people that their own is hereditary or it's the genetics that caused it, it's not usually as bad as the other people that we're talking about, so the ones that are bleached. I did not want to use my own mouth to say it before, but there's usually a big difference. And the ones that are natural do not look so horrible. It is okay if you want to change the general appearance. If you don't want it to look so dark, it's okay. It's English. It is okay to go about it the right way. What is not okay, what is not good, is trying to get rid of it the wrong way. All those kiniko knuckles, miracle kiniko in 7 days. It's a big fat lie. It will not work. I don't even know what to say at this point, because something is genetic, something that you've had for over how many years. You know people around you have them, but you think a miracle cream can get rid of it in 3 days or 7 days? Something that you've had for years. I don't know I don't know how I can help you. I've also spoken about how somebody told me, oh, they wanted to do their skincare routine because it's on my skin, da da da. I was so happy to help. We got products, person started using it. But then the person started saying, that she's preparing for something big goal and she wants to look bright. She wants to, I said, this one will not give the result in this very short time. With this one, you need to be consistent, you need to be this, you need to be that. The person even said the truth. The next thing the person told me is that she can't wait, that she has to quickly get organic or all those ones that they will mix in the market, at least for the period of the 2 weeks before the big day. After that, she can now go back to. I said, God, Lele, what is this? But for adults, there's really nothing I can do because, yeah, yeah. So saying skincare is not worth the hype, or is not, it's worth the hype like mad. Like mad. Go and bring people that are doing skin, that are consistent with it, that are doing it the right way, and ask them. Even the people that are not doing the right way, they will tell you that it's worth it. Have you seen all those mommies, even all those aunties that have up to like 25 steps, 25 products in their stash? I'm not exaggerating, no. The one they will use for the back of their hair is different. The one they will use for inside of their hair is different. They take their time, they bleach, they are not hiding it. It's not any, they will tell you that it's worth it. It's also a form of skincare, whether we like it or not. They are not just going about it the right way, but it's worth it like mad. But saying skincare is not worth it is, I'm even in front of that whatever of that train or whatever it is. Skincare is worth it. If you now do it the right way, you do it the healthy way, it's worth it like mad. If you want to know more about skincare, just subscribe to this channel. I talk about it very well. In fact, I have a whole, what's that thing called on YouTube, playlist on skin. I have over 40 videos, on maybe 30 or 40 on skincare alone on this channel. Check them out. You will not regret it. You get value for your money. You get value for your time. I'm telling you. And if you have questions, just ask me in the comment section. And please subscribe. Some of you are watching but you're not subscribed. I'm not angry. I'm just telling you to please subscribe. Thank you so much for everyone that is subscribed to this channel. Thank you for everyone that engages my content. Thank you so much. Please leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you don't know what to say, just leave me an emoji. I'm going to reply to you. Thank you so much, guys. Please again subscribe. Please like this video. Please comment. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.